Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink, come back, and let's talk. What I'm drinking is water, some good old H2O. So pause this video if you need to, grab your drink, come back, and let's talk. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about having an adventurous sex life. What does this mean? Adventurous sex life. I don't know. I don't know what this means. I'm just making things up as I go along and praying that my hair will just cooperate, basically. This topic was actually suggested to me, so I'm going to come up with my own definition, rendition, assumptions of what this person means by talk about an adventurous sex life. All right, adventurous sex life to me would be no holds barred, enjoying each other in every moment at any time possible. Adventurous sex life to me would mean inviting multiple people or another person into our bedroom. Adventurous sex life would mean trying new things, trusting your person 100%. And this I'm going to piggyback and let you guys know, remind you guys, not let you guys know, but to remind you guys that communication is going to play a huge role in this. If you cannot open up to your person and express the things that you want to try, the things you have not tried, the things that you're hoping to try with them, it's not going to work out. I got a DM on Instagram a few weeks back, I believe, and me and her, we had a good little conversation about how to be more freaky with her partner. I don't like the word freaky at all. The definition of freaky is basically something weird and out of the box, and I don't think sex should be weird or out of the box in that negative connotation. Basically what I said to her was that you have to open up to your partner, you have to communicate with your partner, you have to know what they want and what they want to do, and also be able to express yourself and what you want to do. If you two are not on the same page, it's not going to work. If you two view sex as two completely different things, it's not going to work. If you've had multiple threesomes and orgies and you've been to multiple strip clubs and sex parties where your partner is more so missionary and doggy style and go to sleep, it's not going to work unless they have an open mind. An open mind is also going to come into play. So communication is number one and open mind is number two. You cannot shame your person. You cannot embarrass your person. I personally have been through this where I opened up to my partner about things that I have done in my past and was shamed for it. I was called all sorts of names in the book, and it hurt my pride, it hurt my feelings, like it broke me, truly. And you do not want to do that to your person. If they open up and express something to you, it's because they trust you. They care so much about you that they have no problem divulging certain details about yourself, right? And there are some people who just don't care, who are more blasé about the whole situation and will just say whatever, you know. But there are people like me who like to, believe it or not, who like to keep certain things to themselves, who don't like to divulge every single thing in the book. But if we're comfortable enough with you, it's going to come out, right? So you want to make sure that you have, once you have that clear line of communication and that open-mindedness, you cannot be judgmental. And this is why I feel like, again, why there are so many men who will scour the internet for people like me who talk about things like this, and while they're in a relationship, while they have a girlfriend, while they're married, while they have like 6 kids and a baby on the way, why they have multiple baby mothers, why they, you know, because they don't know how to talk to their partners. And when they do talk to their partners, they're either shamed or it's brushed off like, okay, whatever, you know? So you want to make sure that line of communication is there, the open-mindedness is there, you're not shaming your person, you are judgment free. Adventurous sex life is going to entail, I don't know, a little bit of, what's the word? Is it voyeurism? I don't think it's voyeurism. What's the one where you like to do it in front of people? What's that called? I forget what it's called. But that's gonna tap into adventurous sex life. What is the word? Okay. Moving on. You want to not be intimidated off or not be shy to use toys. Toys are fun. Toys are your friend. Toys are not here to replace you. The thing is, right, the difference between masturbation and intercourse. Masturbation is solo. It's just you. You want a quick nut. You want to enjoy yourself, right? By yourself. With intercourse, yes, it can include a toy and, you know, handcuffs and all these other things and food and whatever. But the thing is that human interaction, whether it be with another male, another female, a they, a non-binary person, whoever it is that you're interacting with, that is what makes the intercourse so much better. Not the additional things that you're bringing into play, right? It's the person that you're connecting with. And this is another reason why I say you can't share your body so freely with every single person. Find that one person, I promise you, find that one person that you want to give your body to, who you want to share experiences with. And if you happen to bring another person into joining, that's one thing, that's nice, that's cool, that's fun. But you know that one person is your soul tie, right? Right. And don't have period sex because you'll get tied. I mean, it's fun, right? But make sure you're using condoms, make sure that there's blankets spread out, make sure that it's nice and clean and, you know, all that good stuff. It does help with cramping. Yeah, but you gotta tie the person. Yeah, sex. If you have period sex. That's it. I don't know. I hope I gave that topic some justice. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. The person who sent this in, send me a message and let me know if I answered your question or if I covered the topic correctly. Please. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.